The life of a frog vocabulary. 1. My. Meaning, something that belongs to me. Sentence, this is my favorite toy. 2. Saw. Meaning, past tense of a see, to look at something. Sentence, I saw a rainbow in the sky. 3. Help. Meaning, to give support or do something for someone. Sentence, I help my friend with their homework. 4. Come. Meaning, to move toward or arrive at a place. Sentence, please come to my house to play. 5. Little. Meaning, small in size. Sentence, I have a little kitten at home. 6. Eggs. Meaning, round objects from which young animals are born. Sentence, the bird lays its eggs in a nest. 7. Frog. Meaning, a small animal that can jump and lives in water and on land. Sentence, the frog jumped into the pond. 8. Gills. Meaning, body parts that fish use to breathe underwater. Sentence, the fish uses its gills to get air from the water. 9. Tadpole. Meaning, a young frog that has a tail and lives in water. Sentence, the tadpole will grow legs and become a frog.